I established a thriving online business and secured multiple clients within just 30 days. In today's video, I'll take you back to the initial day when this venture commenced. I assure you that much of the knowledge you'll acquire in this video is typically accessible only in paid courses. You'll gain valuable insights into converting website visitors into customers and leveraging the power of AI to save both time and money. Therefore, I urge you not to skip any part of this video to understand how I achieved these impressive results. Now, you may be wondering what my business is all about. Well, let me explain. If you've ever stayed at an Airbnb, you're likely familiar with the concept of a welcome book or guest book. This book serves as a guide, offering essential information about the property to assist guests during their stay. I decided to launch an online agency dedicated to helping Airbnb hosts create or revamp their welcome books. However, even with a brilliant business idea, it's essential to verify its demand. To do this, I took my first step by examining the Facebook ads library to see if there were advertisements for similar products. I found a store promoting Airbnb welcome book templates that had been running ads for a few days, indicating a positive response from customers. Additionally, I searched for similar products on Etsy and observed that many had a substantial number of reviews, with new ones consistently coming in. This increased my confidence in the business's potential. Nonetheless, to distinguish myself from competitors, I decided to offer a done-for-you welcome book design service. This means that customers simply need to complete a questionnaire, which my team would use to create the entire book, eliminating the need for customers to edit templates themselves. This unique approach allowed us to charge higher prices, appear more professional, and stand out in the market. The next step was to develop a plan for the business. I started by using ChatGPT to generate the book's structure and page outlines, saving me hours of research. With this guidance, I proceeded to design the book template on Canva, incorporating ChatGPT's recommendations and insights gained from studying competitors. The final result was an appealing and functional welcome book template. Additionally, I created a questionnaire to collect the required information from clients. To streamline this process, I turned to ChatGPT once more, which swiftly generated a detailed questionnaire based on the book's sections, conveniently divided into categories for easier completion. To facilitate the collection of client information, I utilized Google Forms to design the questionnaire, making it user-friendly and efficient. With the entire process in place, I was ready to start accepting orders. Clients could easily provide their information through the questionnaire, and my team would then edit the welcome book template based on the received details. The final product was delivered via email. The next task was to create a compelling sales page, a critical element in attracting potential customers. To craft a captivating headline, I used a formula that focused on the result, benefits, time, and challenges. This formula helped create a headline that would instantly engage potential clients. I also trained ChatGPT to automate the generation of various headlines using this formula. With the sales page structured and its content generated, I then embarked on finding clients. I adopted a free method, LinkedIn Outreach, to connect with potential customers. This method involved personalized messages, avoiding spam, keeping messages concise, and ending with a question to encourage responses. It was important to follow the 30-day rule, committing to this outreach strategy for a sufficient period before evaluating its effectiveness. After nearly a month of dedicated effort, here are the results I've achieved so far. These earnings reflect the success of my approach. Keep in mind that I had the support of a team to assist with the outreach, which may have contributed to the rapid results you see on the screen. Starting a business takes time and effort, but the potential for success is always there. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, kindly consider showing your support by liking and subscribing. Your engagement is highly appreciated. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable content in the future.